Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Zoom account from your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Zoom from HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes it's pretty common to switch over to a new service provider. So maybe you want to go ahead and remove your Zoom account from HoneyBook. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unlink your Zoom account, here on the top bar, you want to click on Tools. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Integrations. Once you click there, you want to scroll down until you see the Zoom logo. Okay, once you found the Zoom logo, you should see your email that is attached to your Zoom account. And underneath it, you're going to see this gray button, Disconnect. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to disconnect your Zoom account? Go ahead and click on the red Disconnect button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my email or my Zoom account has been removed. And now the button changed from Disconnect to Connect. So I can no longer automatically add a Zoom link to my meetings unless I come back in here and reconnect my Zoom account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or disconnect your Zoom account from your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how I did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.